If you would like to learn how to use modern sales methods that leverage the latest sales enablement technology, attend the Business Development OnZoom Workshop Series. During the sessions, you will learn how to utilize LinkedIn Sales Navigator to find the right companies and people to engage. Then learn how to use contact search tools that utilize artificial intelligence to search the entire internet, including social media, to find email addresses, phone numbers, and professional insights for anyone. You will also learn how to automate the business development process, including how to execute an account-based digital marketing campaign, and learn how to build a sales pipeline that will enable you to achieve your income goals. Led by published sales author Sebastian Marshall. As a former Oracle top-performing sales director, he understands the importance of mastering sales fundamentals and has been helping sales professionals achieve their personal and professional goals since Google was founded. Register now. Space is limited.